Hi everyone. My name is Raewin Peck and I am an independent Atomy sales rep. Atomy are products that can change your life forever, whilst at the same time generating an income for yourself. I'm delighted to speak to you today regarding one of Atomy's most amazing products, HemoHIM. HemoHIM was Atomy's first product. It is a #1 bestseller. HemoHIM is not a medicine. It's a health and dietary supplement. It's a superfood that was created to boost your immune system. Your immune system is your body's defense system, the system that fights against things that make you feel sick. HemoHIM is also a vegetarian and halal product. HemoHIM improves your general well-being. 3 years of research went into the development and testing of HemoHIM at the Korean Atomic Energy Research Institute. HemoHIM has been approved by both the Korean FDA and the US FDA and has registered patents. Global sales of HemoHIM exceed $1.3 billion. This is testament to benefits customers feel when taking HemoHIM, as it's helping the world to become healthier. HemoHIM comes in a small sachet. It's an immune booster, individual sachets in a multi-box. It's a sachet, that's a small box, 10 boxes in here. Yes, amazingly, HemoHIM helps awaken and build your immune system. Your immune system can recognize and destroy pathogens such as viruses or bacteria when they enter your body. In other words, it's the way our body protects itself from harm. Our immune system faces harm on a daily basis from environmental pollutants, stress, processed and fast foods, saturated fats, and bad habits such as smoking and drinking alcohol. Work environments can also harm our immune systems. HemoHIM, hemo stands for hemoglobin, which means blood. Hemoglobin is an oxygen-carrying molecule in red blood cells. The H represents hematopoiesis, which is the generation or production of blood, and the I is for immune. The M is for modulation or to regulate. In the Korean language, Him also means strength. In other words, the regulation as well as the generation of new red and white blood cells. Anything working on stem cell regeneration or immune boosting is also an anti-ager. We all need that. HemoHIM can help you boost your energy, balance your hormones, and improved overall rejuvenation. Of course, HemoHIM is not the be-all and end-all of health problems, but it does lead you in a positive direction. HemoHIM is low in calories, only 18.5 calories per 20 ml packet, has almost zero fat, has only 4.6 grams of carbs per packet, and is low in sugar, 2.4 grams per sachet. Each sachet includes mixed herbal extracts, root extracts, purified water, honey, thiamine, starch, calcium pantothenate, and other minimal additives. HemoHIM comes in a big box with 60 sachets. There's 10 smaller boxes, each containing 6 sachets, containing 20 ml of HemoHIM. Each packet has a cut line along here. Let's give it a cut. So it's easy to open, and it's very easy to carry in your handbag, your glove box, or even your pocket. But please keep it out of the sun. Once it's opened, push the contents from the bottom. I won't take it right now, but just wind it up. You can also add HemoHIM packet to a glass of juice, cold tea, etc. if you prefer. I'm not a doctor, I'm not a nurse, I'm not a medical professional, but I know that HemoHIM works. HemoHIM is for him and for her. The feedback I've received from my clients so far has been incredible. For example, I can't believe how quickly I felt better. I have very bad asthma, chronic pain, and fibromyalgia. I suddenly found myself breathing better. I felt like I could go for a walk normally, and normally I just can't do that. I walked up some stairs and I wasn't puffing. Normally I can never do that. I'm very susceptible to hay fever. Most mornings I can hardly breathe, and I repeatedly sneeze and cough. There is a very marked difference if I take HemoHIM. I took a sachet of HemoHIM last night and I wasn't up half the night like I usually am. And I haven't needed my inhaler at all this morning. Plus I slept much better, as in I had a lot less pain. It's amazing. The changes above came very quickly. This is because HemoHIM is immediately bioavailable to the body, meaning the body can immediately absorb it. Of course, I can't begin to list all of the things that HemoHIM can assist with. But if you're tired, or if you have inflammatory problems, have breathing problems, or if you're moody, HemoHIM can help you. If you would like to help heal your body, then please try HemoHIM. It's easy to order. It's couriered from our Auckland distribution centre and it arrives quickly. HemoHIM could change your life forever, or the life of a loved one. It's easy to join Atomy online as a customer or as a sales rep. We can help you with this. People in many countries can now order HemoHIM. Membership is free and there's no product commitment and no set sales commitment. So come on. Get on board, get healthy, generate some income too.